Assalamualaikum, this is Leah. Today I will share a new video on Adobe Photoshop. So if we want create a banner, so we need different types of shapes on our picture. So how can we do this circle shapes picture on Adobe Photoshop? Let's start. First of all, if we create a banner size in a clipboard, so we have to draw a circle. Here I am draw a circle here, and then definitely the fill color will be on and stroke color should be off. And then I have to click convert to smart object, and then if I say move this picture here, and this layer is the picture layer and this layer is the ellipse layer. If I click right button on layer 1 and click create clipping mask, it will be in on circle shape, and then we have to click Ctrl 3, or we have to select this portion by pressing Ctrl 3, or if it was on, then it will be okay. And then we have to press shift and customize this on the circle shape. Here it is. This is this very simple work on Photoshop to create a circle or a square or triangle in any shapes on Adobe Photoshop to create a banner.